Hello students, today we are going to see a basic part of grammar, that is parts of speech. In language is a medium of communication through sentences, and each sentence consists of words belonging to a distinctive class of kind called parts of speech. And there is classification is based on the role of the words in the sentence. Thus, that the classification of the speech can be divided into 8 parts. Now, we are going to see that the parts of speech words are divided into different kinds of classes called parts of speech according to their use, and that parts of speech are in the 8 number. First upon noun, second adjective, third pronoun, fourth verb, fifth one adverb, sixth one preposition, seventh one conjunction, and last eighth one interjection. In this way we are going to see introductory part of the parts of speech. First one, noun. What is noun? That is a word used to name a person, place, animal, or a thing. In this slide or in this image we are going to see that only the examples, short examples of the noun. Second one, adjective. What are the adjective? That is a word that qualifies a noun or pronoun in a sentence. For example, Rohan is a helpful boy. Also, that word helpful is a adjective that describes what the noun looks, smells, sounds, feels, or tastes like. For example, given slide: green, beautiful, hot, bright, happy. That is very common adjectives. Next one, pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun in order to avoid repetition of the same word. Here, pro plus noun. Pro means what? Pro means in place of, and that are used in the sentence. For example, he, they, she, we, you, it, again they, we, that are the pronoun. Next parts of speech, that is verb. Verb is a word that shows the action done by the common or pronoun in a sentence. For example, some given verbs are there, common verbs: walk, hang, stand, pull, throw, push, jump, hold, sleep, sit, swim or swim, main verb, paint, and climb. Next, we are going to see adverb. Adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, loudly, happily, quickly, hastily, that are the adverbs. That words that describes a verb and tells how, when, and where. And in the given example, the turtle walked slowly. Slowly is a adverb. He went to the big beach today. Today is also adverb. My dog ran over there. There is also adverb. Then preposition. Preposition indicates the position of a noun or pronoun in relation to something else. Then the cap is on his head. On is the preposition given. In the given image also, on, in, above, under, next to, below, over, between, behind, that are the preposition explained with the example. Interjection. Interjections are words used to express some sudden feelings or emotions. That means words used to express that sudden outburst or the feelings, emotions, joy, sorrow, or surprises. Given example: hurrah, I have passed the exam. In this word, hurrah, in this sentence, hurrah is a interjection. Wow, that's really great. Wow is also the interjection. Good heavens. What's a sight? That is in this sentence, good heaven also the interjection. And last one also conjunction. What are the conjunctions? That conjunctions are a words which joins two words, phrases, two phrases, two clauses, or sometimes even two sentences. Understood? That are but, yet, and, so, for, because, nor, or, that are the conjunctions. In this way, we learn in short the eighth part of the speech. Thank you.